Well, today we're going to move a couple cars that don't run and have no engines or brakes. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of manual work though, pushing everything. The good old F450 Platinum making light work all these little cars. Decided to bring my little helper Jordan today. Seemed to have a good time. It was a pretty helpful kid. Just swapping a Corolla for a Cressida. Here we are, just backing into the shop to drop off the Cressida, and we're going to swap it for yet another Corolla coming up here. And there it goes. Didn't start again for some reason, so whatever. I'm going to jackknife the trailer in to get it into a good spot so we don't have to jack the car around too much, but it's a little bit of hard work. But a couple of guys and some pushing and some jacks makes it alright.
That's Canford trend.
We're just going to dump this Corolla off now and swap it for yet another Corolla. Some of these run and have engines, some don't. Some have some drift suspension, some have none. They're various states of repair. For some reason, this Corolla seemed to roll backwards but not forwards because of the brakes, so decided to flip the trailer around downhill to make life a little easier on us, and it made a huge difference. This is the last of the Corollas for the day, and this is the last car that we need to move today, so worked out pretty good. It turned out to be a bit of a long day, but whatever. Having a trailer with a winch would probably be a good upgrade at some point.